Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make eFootball full screen on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate your Steam shortcut on your desktop and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a new window with several tabs at the top where you can modify how Steam launches and behaves on your system. Once the Properties window opens, click on the Compatibility tab. This tab contains various settings that can help resolve display and performance issues with games and applications. Here, you'll see several checkboxes with different options for how Steam runs on your computer. Look for the option that says Disable Full Screen Optimizations and check the box beside it. This setting tells Windows to stop applying its own full screen handling, which can sometimes interfere with games trying to run in proper full screen mode. It's a common fix for many full screen related issues in modern games. After checking that box, click Apply first to save the changes you just made. Then click OK to close the Properties window. This ensures your settings are properly saved before you test them out. Now, try to launch eFootball and see if it's working in full screen. Give it a moment to load and check whether the game now fills your entire screen properly without any borders or windowed mode issues. If the game still doesn't work in full screen after trying that first method, don't worry, there's another setting we can adjust. Right-click on your Steam shortcut on the desktop again and select Properties just like before. Click on the Compatibility tab once more to access those same settings. This time, click on Change High DPI Settings. This will open an additional window with more advanced display scaling options that can affect how applications appear on high-resolution monitors. In this new window, check the box beside Use this setting to fix scaling problems. Then, check the box beside Override High DPI Scaling Behavior. These two settings work together to give you manual control over how Windows handles display scaling for Steam and its games. Next, click the drop-down menu at the bottom of this window and select Application from the list. This tells Windows to let the application itself, in this case eFootball, handle its own scaling instead of Windows forcing its own scaling settings onto it. Click OK to close the High DPI Settings window. Then click Apply first to save all these new changes, and finally click OK to close the Properties window completely. Now try launching eFootball one more time and check if it's running in full screen mode. These combined settings should resolve the full screen issue and let you enjoy the game the way it's meant to be played. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.